Hey guys, it's Kelly. So you guys were asking for an everyday makeup tutorial. Here it is. So guys, video, big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for more. And yeah, let's go with the video. So first up, I'm taking my Too Faced Hangover Primer and I'm priming my face. Going into my Urban Decay Nocturnal palette, which is gorgeous. I'm taking the color Half Baked and putting it on my lid. I just like a nice, like, subtle but yet bold eye color, if that makes any sense. I'm going into the shade Delete and I'm going to be putting it in my crease. Sonia Kashuk eyeliner. I like to make a wing because if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I always do a wing. I just always do a wing. It's just my thing. You can either add mascara or falsies. I personally just popped on some very natural falsies. Very natural. Because I never do natural. Like, you know, I'm always doing full glam, but this is actually really natural for me. And now I'm just going to pop on some Marc Jacobs mascara onto my lashes. Like the false ones, just to make them look longer. I quickly laid my brows off camera. Now moving on to foundation. You can obviously just do concealer, but I like foundation on an everyday basis. Basically, what I look for in a good everyday foundation is one that will last a long time, it has good coverage, and it just will keep my, it'll control shine. And with that, I take the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation, and I take a beauty blender. For the beauty blender is to make sure that it's damp, or else it'll absorb all the product. But if it's damp, it gives you the best coverage and just the best look. Moving on to concealer, I'm taking the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, which is one of the best concealers I've found, like, in my day. Where you're going, you always want to set your face with powder. This is the Shannon Cosmetics powder, just because it keeps your foundation and concealer on the longest. Plus, you make sure you're, there it is. And make sure that nothing. In this taupe color from the Sephora Be a Celebrity book collection, and I'm gonna be putting it on my lip. Onto the face, I'm taking the Absolute Contour and Blush palette. Ooh, I have some powder. I'm going to be contouring my face and then adding some blush just to give that For highlighter, the highlighter that you use completely depends on what kind of glow you want. Whether it's subtle or blinding, I usually like my glow to be noticeable from like miles away. So I'm taking the NYX Duochromatic highlighter and I'm going to be highlighting my face. This is one of the best highlighters I've come across. Lips, first off, I'm lining my lips using the Academy of Color lip liner. Now I'm using the Academy of Color Matte Liquid Lipstick in Rosy Posy. Setting spray, I'm taking the Tarte Rainforest to the Sea setting spray, and you just want to set your makeup always, so I love setting spray. So that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye!